Hi guys, so today we'll write a JavaScript program to print the Fibonacci series. We will enter the number of elements in the prompt and we'll get the output like this. I have changed the background on image and set the background text also. So let us try for another one. So let us try 10. Okay, so here were the 10 terms of the Fibonacci series and I have set the background image of the text of Fibonacci series and Pritam Kadam's code journal as orange and Fibonacci series as yellow, and I have used div tag over there. Okay, so let us go ahead. So first of all, we have started the notepad. We will save it first of all as fibo.html. Okay, and I have already saved an image name as pritam.jpg in this folder only. So let us start with HTML. I will use center tag so that everything will be in the center alignment. Okay, so in head tag we will write the title of the web page that would be printed on like above title, that would be Fibonacci series by Pritam Kadam. So let me write it down, Fibonacci series by Pritam Kadam. I will close the title now. Then I will uh, we wrote the H1 as Fibonacci series and H2 as Pritam Kadam's code journal as you saw earlier. So let me write it down. So H1, and by using style I changed the background color as orange and we also increased the font size. So first of all let me change the background color and we will set the font size as 50 pixel, that is 50 px. So let us write it down. So style equals to background color colon, and I used orange, you can use any color you like. So let us go ahead. So after orange I have to give semicolon and I will set the font size as 50 pixel. So font size colon 50 px and semicolon, and after this I will write the Fibonacci series and I will close the H1 and we will write by Pritam Kadam's code journal in the H2. So first of all let us close this H1. Okay, now in H2 let us copy paste this whole thing from above, that is we want the background style background color as orange only. We will change the font size, but we need all this. So in place of Fibonacci series I have to write by Pritam Kadam's code journal. So let us write it down. So I will make it small. So Pritam Kadam's code journal, and then I will close the H2. Okay, so I will set the size as 40 px so that it would be smaller than the Fibonacci series, that is the H1 tag. Now we will change the color of the text. So let us write it as white. So color colon white semicolon. Let us copy paste this in the H2 part also. So now we have completed the H1 and H2. Let us close the head and then we will start the body, and in the body I will have the image that I already saved in the same folder named as Pritam. So by using style, inside style I have to write background image equals colon URL, and inside that I have to give the name of the image. So background image colon URL, and then in the brackets I have to give the name of the file, and let us go to the folder section of the same. So it was pritam.jpg. So let us write it down. So URL pritam.jpg, and then after this I have to use the div tag so that everything that is gonna be printed will be having a background color different from the above. So I will set the style color as red and background color as yellow, and we will set the font size as like, let us say 30 px. So background color colon yellow semicolon, and then font size as 30 px. Font size colon 30 px. Okay, so I have to close this now, that is double quotes, and I will have everything as bold. So let us use the B tag, that is bold, and we will start the script now. So let us write the script. Now I have to like get the number from the user. That is, enter the element of number of elements that the program has to show on the screen. So get number of elements from user. I will have the value inside the const num, that is num variable. I will convert it into integer and we will get the input from the prompt box. So I will write prompt, and in that I will write enter number of terms of Fibonacci you wanna print. So enter number of terms of Fibonacci you wanna print. And then we will declare three variables a, b and c. A equals to 0, b equals to 1, and c, that would be the summation of the a and b. And we will have the summation in the for loop so that each and every element is printed. So a equals to 0, then I have to set b equals to 1 and then c. And after this I have to like print or give the instruction to the web page that we have started an Fibonacci series that has to be shown on the screen. Okay, so this would be printed on the screen just like earlier that you saw. Now document.write, and I have to give spacing and then the value of the a variable, that is 0, plus another space and then plus the value of the b variable. And then after that also I have to give space so that the elements are printed with some spaces so that there would be spacing between the terms and it would look good on the screen. So now we will add the previous two elements of the for the next term. As Fibonacci series is the series which have an element which is a summation of its previous two and it starts from 0 and 1. So we have already used a and b, that is two elements from the number of elements. So in the for loop I will set I as 1, and we will go to less than equal to num minus 2 because we will decrease it by 2 as we already printed the starting elements of the Fibonacci series, that is 0 and 1, with the variables a and b. So now what I have to do is I have to set c as a plus b and I have to print it on the screen. So document.write c and again plus spacing. So let us copy paste from here. Okay, so now I will remove this part and then plus over here. Okay, I missed out over here also. So plus, then we have to close this. So C was printed over here, so I'm gonna change it from A to C. Now the previous two elements for the next iteration are gonna be changed. So A equals to B and B equals to C. So B equals to C. Now I will close the script and body and HTML tag and we will run this on the web page. So let us close the script tag, body and HTML2. Okay, so now let us check it out. So by using prompt we entered the number of terms we wanna print, div tag before the script so that Fibonacci series, the whole Fibonacci series would be printed as red and with background color as yellow. So we entered 5. So here are the 5 elements of the Fibonacci series, that is 0, 1, summation 1, 1 plus 1, summation 2, and 2 plus 1, that is 3. So let us run it again. So let us say 10. So here it is. So 34 was summation of 13 plus 21 and 21 was 13 plus 8. So like that the whole series was printed over here. So this was a small JavaScript program to print the Fibonacci series. You can see the whole program over here. I'll just make the font size smaller. So here was the div tag that the whole Fibonacci series was printed as red and background color yellow. This was the head, that is Fibonacci series and by Pritam Kadam's code journal, that printed as white and background color as orange. And this was the title, that is Fibonacci series by Pritam Kadam. and we had the sky as background, as we used style equals to background image, and we gave the URL of the image that we want to insert on the web page. So here was a JavaScript program to print the Fibonacci series. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any doubts or you want me to make a video on a particular topic or a program, and I will make a video on that for sure. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.